Hola! Your dream vacation to Singapore starts from rupees 44,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
I was first supposed to do my first Hindi film like back in the day with Akshay sir. We never had a conversation about it because I'm not sure if he even knows because, I mean, there's so many girls who are auditioning for so many of his films.
This start, if I'm not wrong, was going to happen also with Antim, which didn't
Yes.
work out. When it didn't work out, did it hurt you?
It did, yes. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it did hurt me briefly. But somewhere your good sense prevails at some point. And I knew that decision was made for the better. Even if the film had me, I'm not sure it would have worked out for me. And I really believe that. So I'm very happy with my journey. I still got to do songs with Salman sir, which are out there for the world to see. Vibe was amazing. I had such a great time with Taapsee because we also kind of, we used to go out for meals after and before shoot. She's a lovely, lovely person. I'm extremely fond of her. When I started out initially, I don't know who put this in my head, but I was told, just come on set and follow instructions. We are facing rejections on an everyday basis. This is a part and parcel of our life. So somewhere you've got to be really strong and really positive and really believe in your dreams. But for me as a person, I think I will never be okay with something like that in my relationship. So I mean, that's my take on infidelity.
I remember watching Khel Khel Mein 2 days before its release, and oh my god, how much have we all laughed in the theatre. I have never seen so much laughter in a media screening, and I remember coming out of the theatre and texting on my family group that, guys, you have to go and watch this film, and my parents did the next weekend. Someone who surprised me the most in the film has to be Pragya, who played the beautiful role of Naina, and today she joins me for an interesting conversation only on Galata India. Hi Pragya, how have you been?
Hi, I'm very, very good. That was such a lovely, happy intro.
I know. You can see the happiness because I genuinely was happy. I put up a story also praising the film, and when we do that, a lot of people text us ki, is this paid? Oh, did they pay you? I'm like, I wish, but no, they didn't. And I put that exactly up, and Taapsee sent me like a laughter wala emoji ki why will we pay you to write that? Because I genuinely praised the film so much that people thought I was paid for it.
Wow.
But
Sponsored post.
Yeah, sponsored post. I was like, I wish I was that famous. But when I watched the film, what worked for me was the comic timing of everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone looked like they know their part, and they have really given their all to the movie. You tell me, how was the experience, and now that you're getting so much love for it?
I mean, this question is literally the whole interview, This question can have the longest answer ever. I had the most wonderful experience shooting for this film. If you watch the film, you obviously get so much joy and laughter. If you're experiencing that, imagine for us creating that on set. It had to be really genuine. We all had to be like friends on set. We ate our meals together. We played games together when we were not shooting, like in the break time and they're setting up the lights and everything. There was this great camaraderie in this unit that I have never experienced before in my life. So I feel like it's one of the most fun, one of the most enriching filming experiences of my life. So that is about the experience of working in the film. And the second part of your question was, are you happy with the love and how are you feeling about it? Honestly, Rashita, I was very nervous before the film came out because my character is such that, as much as I had seen the film and I know what I felt about it, one is still biased about one's performance, right? So even if your closest people are appreciating it, who've seen the film, you still want to see how the audience reacts to it because that's the real judge, So once the film released and I was still with my fingers crossed. Once the audience, I know that everybody who's seen the film has truly enjoyed the film, and those who know me, who have communicated to me, they've loved my character. So I'm just so grateful and so overwhelmed because, for me, because this is my first film, my performance being praised is very, very important.
Of course.
So I'm so glad that that character was really on the edge. It could go a little extra and be annoying. You know, it's that you're walking on that thin line to maintain that balance where it doesn't go like a caricaturish sort of performance.
Yeah.
It's there that she's this personality, but also it doesn't get annoying. It's just hilarious. You know, the kind of thing she says and the person that she is. So I'm glad the role got accepted with a lot of like love, and I'm receiving so much of love and applause for my first film's performance. I'm just truly grateful.
That's so nice. You know, there is something about the Nainas of Bollywood. We have seen so many iconic ones. Your name has been joined to that. But what worked for me personally about Naina, as you said, there was a very thin line.
Yeah.
We see these South Delhi, South Bombay girls and how people start instantly disliking them because they come from a space of privilege.
Correct.
And that could happen to your character, but it
Correct.
didn't. Throughout, I was not annoyed and I was just having fun. In fact, my friend, I was watching it with him, and we started giving each other names. He started calling me Naina, and he was Tapsi's character because he says I am that in real life.
One can relate to somebody or the other in the
everyone.
film.
And then halfway through it, he's like, actually, I'm not Tapsi, I'm Vani. And I'm like, whoever you are, I am Pragya for sure. But you know, that is the kind of conversations we were also having. But what, as I was saying, what worked for me was the climax. You know, your character could have easily been the one who would be like, okay, I'm giving in, it's fine. But that sass, that savage
Yeah.
attitude that you had in the end, and you just wear your shades and you're like, I'm done.
Yeah.
That is what worked for me. As a woman, that is also
Yeah.
very liberating to watch.
It's amazing because I feel Naina had a lovely character graph.
Yeah.
Lovely arc that, you know, sometimes actors don't get to play in one film.
Yeah.
You know, if you're this, then you're just this.
Exactly.
If you're that, then you're just that. This one had a whole, like, I mean, it just came together so beautifully by the time film ended that I was so happy. And even in the end, this one relationship, I feel, this is my interpretation, I still have to confirm from the director, I feel like she's still open-ended about it.
Yeah.
I may forgive you or I may not.
Yeah.
I'm thinking about it. I'm still processing it. But you know who I am. Like, you know, this jewelry I can give to my driver.
Yeah.
You know,
You're like,
it
अपनी
doesn't-
पत्नी के लिए तुम लेकर आए.
yeah, I
was
mean,
like,
I can, no big deal for
Yeah.
me. You know, what you're calling for another person whose affair you're hiding with your wife and your father-in-law, you know, this supremely messed up
Yeah.
situation. But do you know who I am and who we
Exactly.
are? And I will take a call when
Yeah.
I want to. But right now, my driver can take the
Exactly.
jewelry. I think it's just beautiful the way that story ended.
I know, because we were having a conversation with Mudassar after we watched the film, and I had a doubt about, you know, your character and the relationship and
Oh.
how it ended, and I asked him this. He
Oh.
was like, it's open-ended, as you said. Because we were forcing him for a part 2, and we told him, we started giving him ideas, and he was like, yeah, that's a nice idea. So he did agree that it wasn't open-ended, but that is exactly what worked for me. Because if you see the other couples, they were quite, it was like shown and proven that, yeah, they are together and
Correct.
they have gotten
They
back.
have, somebody has resolved, somebody
Yeah.
is figuring, somebody is to yet have a conversation. This is very clear that they don't know. We'll figure it out.
Yeah. The film also talks about a lot of topics that should be talked about, but not in a preachy manner.
Yeah.
Not in a manner where you are like, "Arey, फिर से another movie जिसमें ऐसा दिखा रहे हैं." It was fun. The comic timing was right without making it also look very insensitive.
Yeah.
We talked about infidelity in the movie.
Yeah.
As someone who, you know, as a woman, how do you take it in your personal life, and how do you react to this entire concept?
It's a hard question. Honestly, I mean, genuinely, I've not really personally gone through anything like that in my life, and I feel I'm so blessed and so grateful because I think it's the hardest thing that a woman can go through. I don't know how a partner can be okay with their partner not being loyal completely. I understand that, especially in today's time and age, there are very different dynamics between couples. You know, there are different ways people are together and they have an understanding of what's okay and what's not. But for me as a person, I think I will never be okay with something like that in my relationship. So, I mean, that's my take on infidelity, I guess.
Yeah.
You know, and it's something that
agreed.
I will never be okay with.
Of course, of
You
course.
know, I want 100% honesty and loyalty and commitment, and there is no other way, like this way or highway. You know, there's no middle ground.
Perfect. We also, I think for you, life comes a full circle because we saw you and Akshay in the same frame. And I remember you auditioned for Gabbar is Back long back. And how did that feel? Like, did you get a chance to tell that to him? And what was the conversation like?
It's so strange because it's everywhere on the internet. I was first supposed to do my first Hindi film like back in the day with Akshay sir. We never had a conversation about it because I'm not sure if he even knows, because you know, I mean, there's so many girls who are auditioning for so many of his films where, I mean, I was just a shortlisted person. I wasn't finalized. We were like 3 shortlisted girls, and I just thought that, you know, this should work out, and eventually it didn't, but I ended up working with the same director in a Telugu film.
Yeah.
So yeah, life does come a full circle, and I feel sometimes you just got to be patient, and when it is the right film for you or the right time for you to be in a certain film, it'll work out.
You know, today when you look back, I'm sure you must realize everything happens for a reason.
I do.
Maybe that didn't work out because this part was written for you maybe many
Possibly.
years later. But when at that period there were rejections or replacements, did that hurt you ever as an actor, as a human being?
See, as an actor, as a human being, we are facing rejections on an everyday basis. This is a part and parcel of our life. So, somewhere you've got to be really strong and really positive and really believe in your dreams. And you just have to have that fire within you alive at all times. You've come to Bombay with a dream. You want to pursue that dream. You want to prove yourself. You want to do the best that you can. And you know that this field involves a lot of rejections. There are far more rejections than, I mean, you go for 10 meetings, maybe 1 will work out or 1 or 2 will be positive. I mean, it works like that in our industry. So I feel one can't take that too seriously, because if you just believe in yourself a little bit, you know that, okay, if this is not working out for me, maybe this is for my best interest and something else will. So I guess you just have to be extremely positive and not let these things get to you, because I mean, I am those very firm believer of everything happens for a reason. So and you know, honestly, with me now, what's happened is, whatever I've really chased and run after and like worked too damn hard for, कि audition करना है, look test करना है, ये वो, मतलब, say for example, there's a particular project and you've done audition 1, audition 2, look test 1, look test 2, फिर मतलब जितना हाथ पैर मारना सब कर लिया, and it won't work out for me. But the nicest and the biggest things that have worked out for me have worked out for me when I've done nothing. And I'm sitting at home, I get a call ki, acha, listen, would you want to do this? And I'm like, oh. So for me, the biggest films that I've got have also happened very organically, where I've not like struggled too much. So for me now, I am really like, do the best you can each day. When it has to work out, it'll work out on its own. So I don't worry, because my best work comes to me when I'm chilling.
Yeah.
So I'm like, theek hai, let's not worry too much. When I have to go do my auditions and look tests and meetings, I'll go do that. If it works out, fantastic. If it doesn't, kuch na kuch to ho hi jayega. Matlab, things work out for me.
Of course.
It's-
No, that is true. When you're like effortlessly just sitting, good things come your way. And when you put like so much effort
Like,
into things,
पूरा ऐसा ये चाहिए, like you like zid, then I'm going to like 10% churches, God, ये picture हो जानी चाहिए. Doesn't happen. I'm like, this God doesn't listen to me, but God gives me something way better when I'm probably not even trying. When I just know कि हाँ यहाँ पे कुछ ये project हो रहा है, and suddenly it comes to you, I'm like, chalo, theek hai. God does have a plan.
Definitely. You know, multi-starers, if I say so, can be a little tricky. I know gone are those days where actresses used to be pit against each other. Here we see 3 of you giving a very nice performance, and kudos to the makers that we did not see anyone overshadowing anyone's part. Everyone was equally involved in the acting process, and that is something that, you know, made me think that okay, we have finally reached that level कि यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं है कि एक हीरोइन दूसरे हीरोइन का limelight लेने के लिए है या कुछ. How was the vibe on set with Vani and Taapsee and the conversations?
Vibe, like I told you before, was just so full of love, joy, happiness. I think it was very happy set. very, very happy set because we were literally, I think, खाते पीते खेलते वेलते हमारी picture बन गई. You know, obviously we were super disciplined and we were focused on our job because we had our prep from before. 1 month before we had started reading and all of that. We had readings together. So we all knew our parts before we went to shoot. And when we went to shoot, we had to just, when they are shooting, we had to go do our job. Otherwise, we were free to chill, hang, eat together, have fun, play games. Vibe was amazing. I had such a great time with Tapsi because we also kind of, we used to go out for meals after and before shoot. She's a lovely, lovely person. I'm extremely fond of her. And a great professional, like a thorough professional. And looking at her work, I was like, wow, I mean, there's so much to learn from her, just as an artist. So as a person, as an artist, I grew extremely fond of Tapsi. So yeah, this is my vibe with Tapsi. Vani, I mean, also we hung out a lot with, but more
With
at
Tapsi,
work.
yeah.
But Tapsi, I know from also a very, very long time before.
Okay.
We did our some pageants together
Oh,
back in the day
lovely.
when we started out. So I mean, we had that little equation.
Perfect.
So also, you know, the screenplay and the dialogues and our individual stories are written in such a way that right in the beginning we all knew what we are contributing to the story. So there's no stealing the
Of course.
limelight. There's no you know, insecurity
Huh.
about what, you know, one is doing in the film or what needs to be done or where I can get a little bit. There's no scope for that. It's all in place in a bound script
Yeah.
from before. We're all ready for that process. So yeah.
That's incredible. You know, today when we hear such stories, we want more multi-starrers. We keep telling filmmakers कि और multi-starrers लाओ, but वो कहते हैं यार बहुत कम actors मानते हैं, which is the
Yeah.
sad
But
reality.
what a terrific film,
Yeah.
this one means everybody had equal parts.
Of course.
You know, but to find story like this
7
is also
people
not.
and yeah.
And everyone is saying something important.
Yeah,
Everyone
yeah,
has a distinct character. Everyone has a distinct story. I mean, fantastic writing and screenplay and dialogues and direction. I mean, really hats off to Mudassar for this.
Of course.
To put together this bunch of actors
I
in
know.
this beautiful story, I think is incredible. It's
Yeah.
also tough to find scripts like this.
Of course
No?
it is. But did you get a prank from Akshay on set? Because we know he's like a prank master. How was that?
Lots of pranks every other day with everybody. ऐसे छोटे मोटे तो होते रहते थे. अभी there's no specific incident that I can think of. But yeah, sir के साथ तो मतलब full मस्ती at all times.
Lovely. Pragya, today when I look at you as an actor, as an artist, I feel, correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel that I would want to see you in a lot more projects here also. Of course, you're doing incredible work in the South industry, and those lines are being blurred today कि ये
Yeah.
Bollywood है, ये Tollywood है,
Yeah.
nothing of that sort. But do you somewhere feel that more opportunities could have been there in the Hindi film industry for you?
Definitely, yeah. I mean, there could have been way more opportunities. There seem to be so many films that I sometimes feel like, yeah, I should have been a part of this film and I should have played that character. But as an actor, you're always hungry and you're always wanting more. But I also genuinely believe that there is a right time for everything. And if this is how my journey was to begin, then at least it's begun now finally.
yeah.
And hopefully moving forward, there will be more work and more interesting characters to play and some very interesting films, hopefully, fingers crossed. So I'm just grateful at least I made a start, you know.
You know, this start, if I'm not wrong, was going to happen also with Antim, which didn't
Yes.
work out. You have a very positive approach towards your career right now. But at that point when it didn't work out, did it hurt you?
It did, yes. I mean, I'm not going to lie, it did hurt me briefly. But you know, somewhere your good sense prevails at some point. And I knew that decision was made for the better, for the betterment of the film, for the betterment of my career. That character in the film at the time eventually was not working out. So that creative difference, I think, was there between, you know, the important people associated with the film. And whoever took the call, I know, decided it only for the best interest of the film and Pragya.
Yeah.
That even if the film had me, I'm not sure it would have worked out for me. And I really believe that. So I'm very happy with my journey. I still got to do songs with
Yeah.
Salman sir, which are out there for the world to see. That was a wonderful opportunity, and I think film-wise, I had to start with Khel Khel Mein. So grateful for this now.
You know, gone are those days when actresses were just a pretty looking face and they were just there for the beautiful songs and the outfits. Now there is meat in their character,
Yeah.
as we saw in Naina and so many roles that we see today. Recently, you know, Ravina Tandon did an interview with our company and she said that पहले 90s में ऐसा होता था कि you were supposed to be just a pretty face and sit on set and not say much, and if you did say anything about the script or about your role, it wasn't taken very nicely. Today when things are changing and things are changing for good, how do you feel as an actress?
I actually feel very, very, very grateful. You know, honestly, like for me also, when I had started out,
Yeah.
for me, the script and my scenes were Bibles. It's like, it's a Bible. You don't question it. अगर इसमें लिखा है कि गॉड ने ये बोला है तो ये बोला है. You don't think
Put
कि
your-
ये सही
yeah,
है कि
yeah.
नहीं है. When I started out initially, I don't know who put this in my head, but I was told, just come on set and follow instructions. No, I'm not saying in a bad way, because I
Yeah.
also started in another language. So I
Correct.
may have been nervous. They're like, you just listen to me, we'll take care of you. It was told to me in the nicest way that we're there for you. Just listen what I say, just do that. You will be fine. Which was, I think, a very kind thing that they told me at the time when I was really new and young.
Yeah.
But over time, I realized that I had conditioned my brain to be like, come on set and follow instructions.
Yeah.
Till after like a few years, when I realized कि when actors are asking questions कि नहीं इसको ऐसे करते हैं, इसको ऐसे करते हैं, यहाँ पे ये improv कर देंगे, it's like, oh,
We
I
can
can
do
do
that,
that as
yeah.
well. And there are some directors who are open to listening to your ideas and collaborate with you and, you know, understand where you're coming from and then bring the character close to you, little bit, somewhere midway. So I feel very grateful that finally we're able to, we are at a stage where we can talk, discuss, and come to a mutual understanding of a particular scene or character. So I think very grateful and privileged.
When you entered, were the people who sort of tried to scam you because you were not from the industry and you were
नहीं
just
यार,
starting off?
Very lucky. कभी scam
Good,
नहीं हुई
very
मैं.
good.
वो rejections हुए हैं. बहुत scam किसी ने नहीं किया. इतनी तो अकल थी. कभी समझ में आ रहा है कि ये थोड़ा dodgy है तो you stay away. You also
Yeah.
have to be little smart, na?
Of course.
To survive in the industry for so many years, little common sense. You can't. I mean, as much as I feel I'm very gullible and sweet and naive and all of that. I mean, which I still am initially. So I was very like that. But you get a sense of who you are talking to. You understand scamsters, yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
matlab, never been scammed, luckily,
Good,
thank
good.
God.
Touch wood.
Touch wood.
And now I'm sure no one has the guts also to do
Better.
that.
I hope so.
But Pragya, looking back at your journey, is there a feeling of pride? Is there an overwhelming feeling because you genuinely came out from the outside and made it big and also worked across industries? It's not very easy to maintain that relevance today and be relevant for almost more than a decade now. When you have managed to do that without having, you बोलते हैं ना godfather नहीं है फिर भी हमने कर लिया, self made, how do you feel about that tag?
See, I'll tell you, I'm not sure if there is a tag yet. I think your question is more about, do you feel a sense of pride?
Yeah.
Yes, sometimes. Sometimes you have to pat yourself on the back because, you know, not every time the world is going to be there to do that for you. There will be some really good days, some really bad days, and the days which are not the good days, you don't need anything. You're being validated by social media, by everyone you meet, wherever you go. When you're successful and a film does well and it's a big hit, you feel it, right?
Yeah.
But it's on the bad days, you only have your own little ecosystem, your support system, and yourself. So I feel that sense of pride is not something that is constant, because, you know, we're going through everyday life, going through so many battles. So it comes and goes, but I make sure that no matter what happens in my work life, I'm telling myself, you've done the best that you could and you've come so far on your own,
Yeah.
and you should be happy and proud of that. So I do have a sense of, I don't know if pride is the right word, but I do have that sense of achievement
Yeah.
to some level that, you know, I've come this far on my own. So now don't try to, you know, tell me
Yeah.
how to be, what to do, what not to do. Sometimes, you know, you just have to be there for yourself and love yourself and trust yourself. And
Yeah. And I know the thing about being a little critical about your own work is that like you are hesitating a little to say sense of pride, because that's me. Even I feel like even if I do good work, I hesitate so much to say you have done good
I was
work
like
and I'm
that
proud
for the
of you.
longest time.
Yeah.
Always most critical of myself, always hardest on myself, always like I can do better. Just I think in the last, within I think less than a year, I've come to an understanding of, yeah, anyway things happen the way that they have to happen. You do the best work, you do not so good work, you still putting your best foot forward each day, right? Not so good work sometimes is super successful, and sometimes when you're dying, trying, crying, making something happen, pushing yourself, and it may not, you're doing your best every day. Can you feel happy and proud of that? You know, so I'm lately full self-love time phase I'm in. So I'm
Good.
appreciating
That's how it
myself,
should be.
I'm loving myself, and I'm giving myself credit for where I am.
Perfect. What next for you? We hear there's a big South movie that you're doing.
Yeah, I have a couple of
Yeah.
Telugu films that are coming up. I'm shooting for both actually right now, which is why there's a lot of travel to Hyderabad.
Yeah.
So yeah, grateful that I'm doing some interesting work over there as well. So yeah,
Lovely.
looking forward to that.
We
right
are
now.
looking forward to खेल खेल में 2. Please confirm. हमारे चैनल में confirm करके जाओ कि आ रही है मूवी.
मेरे हाथ में थोड़ी है, आप डायरेक्टर प्रोड्यूसर से बात कीजिए. I am keeping my fingers crossed. I hope Khel Khel Me 2 happens, guys. Since you loved it,
I
so
loved
much,
it. I
let's
love Naina.
manifest
We
it.
are manifesting. We
Let's
have already
manifest.
told the director we have given him ideas और क्या ही करें अब. But thank you so much, Pragya. It's fantastic to be a good actor, but it's even more brilliant to be a good human being. And I saw that
wow.
side of you
So
today.
sweet.
So thank you so much for doing this with us.
Thank you. This was
Thank you.
such a lovely interview.
Thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Pragya Jaiswal, and you're watching me on Galata India.
Hola! Your dream vacation to Singapore starts from rupees 44,999 only with GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.